Questions about a spouse's fidelity, honesty, or whereabouts are deeply personal, and the decision to investigate is significant. At People Locator Skip Tracing, we handle these matters with discretion and with clear communication about what investigation can and cannot accomplish and the legal framework that governs it. Here's an honest guide to spousal investigation in the context of divorce, asset protection, and related legal matters. The legal context matters enormously. What you can legally investigate your spouse for depends significantly on whether you're married, separated, or divorced, and what legal proceedings are pending or contemplated. In the context of divorce proceedings, evidence of marital misconduct, including infidelity, is relevant in some states to determinations of alimony, property division, and fault-based divorce grounds. In no-fault divorce states, marital fault is generally not relevant to property division. Understanding your state's law determines whether this type of investigation serves a legally relevant purpose. For asset protection purposes in divorce, investigation of a spouse's financial activities, hidden assets, undisclosed income, unauthorized transfers from marital accounts, is directly relevant to property division regardless of fault. This is often more legally productive than surveillance of personal conduct. What professional investigation can legally do? Confirm whether a spouse is where they claim to be through public records and professional databases. Identify any secondary addresses, residences, or locations associated with the spouse's activity. Verify employment and income. Identify financial accounts and assets. Conduct public space surveillance, observation of what occurs in publicly accessible spaces through licensed private investigators. What investigation cannot legally do? Access private electronic communications without consent. Access a spouse's email, phone records, or social media accounts without authorization. Place tracking devices on a vehicle without appropriate consent in many states. Conduct any activity that constitutes illegal wiretapping, stalking, or harassment. People Locator Skip Tracing provides discreet, legally compliant investigation services in appropriate marital investigation contexts. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to discuss your situation.